ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ringkat Bakari India berok kuwe ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo hak arpu pratrik urempang araja arpusau kelaraki ke National Science Day pla shimbenta deki Khynnah Skul ki bopuli hak ke kelas 10 hak ni ke National Science Day pla penlong apelau jongkan ke school la shimbenta lang na do District Science Supervisor uba S bla ke Principal jongka Alpha English Higher Secondary School ke Kong W K bla u Vice Principal upasta B kharbeteng ki nohikai bet kiwe ki board penya jongka school. Hak ni sengi la sakhiru bagi Khynnah Skul ke lapin ipat ba ya ke jingshna hak science exhibition da ke babatairu ya kini ke jingshna ke bakum ki Khynnah Skul ke lapin dan kam hok ya ke sap ke bakidon.
Government of India has accepted the proposal in the year 1987, and 1987 itself, that means the first Science Day celebration was conducted, and since then till today we celebrate National Science Day on 28th of February. Now, why this Science Day is called as the Raman scattering, like just now only Sir Dayar he mentioned, it is because like it happens to Raman, C.V. Raman, when he was a student, he asked a question that why the sea water or the ocean water is blue in color. Then somebody replied that is because of the reflection of light. Why the sky is blue though, that's why the light gets reflected and the ocean water also looks blue. But he is not satisfied. You know that we have to be very curious to know about the fact. And he was very curious. He was not satisfied with the answer that because of the reflection of light, the sky is blue, that's why the ocean water also blue. Then he started doing research on that. And while doing the research, he found that when the white light when I say means the sunlight is the white light. When the sunlight that white light will pass through the prism, then it scatters split into 7 colors. That is called spectrum of light. So when the 7 colors are splitted from the white light, then these colors, I'll just give you in short, it is called VIBGYOR. That means violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, yellow, orange and red. So out of this, the violet color has the maximum scattering of light, and indigo. So violet and indigo scattered in such a way that we cannot see it clearly. Our eyes cannot catch the color clearly. So what is that color which our eyes can catch easily is the blue color. So when the light rays from the sunlight, it enters to the earth atmosphere, then blue color light is scattered and our eyes catch that blue color light, and hence the sky looks blue. But it does not mean that because of that reason even the ocean water also looks blue. So Raman, he did the research on that, and he said that when the white light from the sun, when it reached to the ocean water, even in the ocean water there is 2 medium, that is called air medium and the water medium. Ocean water means water is the one of the medium, and this is in the atmosphere is the air. So air is the medium. So when the light travels from one medium to another medium, then scattering of light takes place. So even in the ocean water also what happens is that blue color light, it's scattered in such a way that it passes from one molecule of water to the another molecule of water. So when that blue light, which has the maximum wavelength, when it travels from one molecule of water to another molecule of water, some energy is absorbed by each molecule, and during that time little amount of light is still scattered in each molecule, and that makes the ocean water blue in color. So that is called the scattering of light. And because of this scattering of light, when Raman has given this research work to the world, then world recognize him that his discovery is absolutely correct. And later on, he got the recognition, and for that, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930.
Solar power irrigation system is a clean technology option for irrigation, allowing the use of solar energy for water pumping and replacing fossil fuels for irrigation purposes. And it reduces greenhouse gases emission from irrigated agriculture. And this model represents how the irrigation system operates using solar energy. So my friend will explain.
So now what happened here is that these solar panels, it absorb or collect the photons from the sunlight and convert it into electricity that provides energy for the motors to pump waters out from the well or from any other water source. And this is the water tank that the water is being filled in. And it is through this pipe that the water is being transported from the field. And this is the pump controller. That's all.
This is good idea afterwards. Nai kabun ha kata kasak kapong joki kantam ha kalian science kidon ki idea ki batmai ki bangai I kantam e bagi snai katu ka microscope daki ni waste product no daki ni ki ba nimpedon kamshu te barbor ka microscope te Skul kan long barem ba begin ki kita katu ka idea bagi snai ka microscope daki waste product kala banyarap sibun ya ki Skul ke bamla ban ki kita ki microscope kita rem betul mission nak ni idea betul snai ki microscope kan kena kata kadi kau ka idea ka yang ni sakile ki model bagi Khynnah ki long ki banyarap ki kena bakin hapulie nama da ka bagi Khynnah ki model da ka bagi yoi kila ban sutu bahaya ka ya ki concept jong ka science ke principle ka ba Khynnah ki model bat bakin sala hakata ka bat hamle ba wat ki pak joki hajin kulie joki bat bakatu ka kanbun kita ka jing champang ha ka champang ka science mo ti nakit bok terwiang du ya kan ka Skul alpha bakan nang ya chakmat bakan nang pelong bun kum kini ki exhibition nang ni chakmat bat ba na kerben ba Khynnah kin kiu tam ya hakalian science jok di Skul.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I'm happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center